Welcome to the Teacher's Lounge, a podcast dedicated to providing real-life resources for early education professionals. The Teacher's Lounge is hosted by Noelle Dentino and Jessica Day. Together, they bring almost 50 years of combined experience in and out of the early education classroom, offering a wealth of knowledge and practical insights that you need now if you're in childcare. Whether you're a new assistant or making the leap from lead teacher to director, we have you covered. Join us as we delve into the unique challenges and opportunities of each role, sharing our experiences and expertise with practical tools to help you succeed. So, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite drink, and let's jump into the lounge.
Working with toddlers is both a joyful and challenging experience. On one hand, you get to witness their boundless curiosity and energy. On the other hand, managing that energy in a classroom full of busy learners can feel like trying to herd cats. If you're like most toddler teachers, you've probably experienced moments of chaos that leave you feeling overwhelmed. But fear not. With the right strategies in place, you can turn that chaos into calm. Today, we're going to explore 3 proven techniques that can help you create a more peaceful, structured, and enjoyable classroom environment for both you and your toddlers. Number 1, the power of visual schedules. Visual schedules can be a game changer when it comes to reducing classroom chaos. Toddlers thrive on routine and predictability, and visual schedules offer a way to provide that in a way that they can easily understand. A visual schedule uses pictures to represent the day's activities, helping toddlers see what's happening now and what's coming next. This reduces the anxiety that often accompanies transitions and, in turn, can lessen tantrums. Here are some tips for using visual schedules effectively. First, keep it simple and clear. Use basic images or photos that represent each activity, such as snack time, outdoor play, and story time. The simpler, the better, as too much detail can overwhelm toddlers. Next, place it at their eye level. Make sure the schedule is within the toddler's line of sight. When they can see it easily, they feel more connected to the daily routine. Refer to it often. Use the schedule as a tool throughout the day. Call attention to it when transitioning from one activity to another, reinforcing the predictability it provides. Next, involve your toddlers. A great way to engage toddlers in the schedule is by letting them help make it. You can have them color or create their own schedule pictures. Just be cautious about the glitter, unless you want your classroom to sparkle for weeks. Visual schedules give toddlers a sense of control, helping them feel more secure, which in turn helps prevent meltdowns. With a bit of practice and consistency, your visual schedule will become a central part of your classroom's daily rhythm. Number 2, playful transitions. One of the biggest challenges in any toddler classroom is managing transitions. Whether it's moving from free play to cleanup or getting ready to go outside, transitions often lead to frustrations and meltdowns. The key to smoother transitions? Make them fun. Turning transitions into playful moments can ease the shift from one activity to another. Here are some ideas to try. First, sing transition songs. Music is an amazing tool to engage toddlers. Create a cleanup song or a transition jingle that signals it's time to move on to the next activities. Toddlers love singing along, and it can make even the most mundane tasks feel like a fun game. Next, make it a game. Toddlers are naturally competitive and love challenges. Turn cleaning up toys into a race. Who can pick up the most blocks? Or, when heading outside, pretend you're all going on an adventure, like a bear hunt, to make the transition more exciting. Last, use silly voices or actions. Getting silly is one of the best ways to capture a toddler's attention. Use funny voices, hop like a bunny, or waddle like a penguin as you transition from one activity to the next. The more fun you make it, the more cooperative they'll be. By making transitions engaging and playful, you can cut down on resistance and make these tricky moments enjoyable for everyone involved. Number 3, creating a calm corner. Emotional regulation is something all toddlers are learning, and sometimes their big feelings can lead to big disruptions in the classroom. That's where a calm corner can become your secret weapon. A calm corner is a designated space where toddlers can go to relax and manage their emotions in a positive way. Here's how you can create an effective calm corner. First, make it cozy and inviting. Soft pillows, comforting textures, and soothing colors make the calm corner a welcoming place. You might include soft toys, fidget items, and picture books that can help toddlers calm down when they're feeling overwhelmed. Next, add sensory tools. Simple sensory tools like a glitter jar that's sealed tightly, or a squishy ball can help toddlers refocus and regulate their emotions. The calming movement of glitter in a jar, for example, can be mesmerizing and relaxing for little ones. Next, introduce it positively. It's important to frame the calm corner as a safe, positive space rather than a timeout or punishment. When a toddler is starting to get upset, gently guide them to the calm corner and offer to sit with them if they need support. Over time, they'll begin to recognize it as a place to go when they need to self-regulate. Some children will take to the calm corner right away, while others may need more time to understand its purpose. Either way, it can become an essential tool in helping toddlers learn to manage their emotions, and you might find it becomes a popular spot for quiet time. Conclusion: from chaos to calm. Implementing these 3 strategies, visual schedules, playful transitions, and calm corners, can transform your toddler classroom from chaotic to calm. Not only will these techniques help create a more peaceful and structured environment, but they'll also give your toddlers the tools they need to feel secure and supported. Remember, even on the most chaotic days, you're making a difference in your students' lives. Your hard work, patience, and creativity don't go unnoticed. And with a few small adjustments like these, you'll find more joy and ease in your classroom, no matter how wild it may seem at times. So embrace the glitter in moderation, bring out the silly songs, and watch your classroom calm down and flourish.
And that brings us to the end of this episode of the Teacher's Lounge. We're so grateful for your time and hope you found our discussion helpful and inspiring. Remember, you are doing an amazing job in the field of early education, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, and we'll be back soon with more resources, insights, and inspirations to help you succeed. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and follow us on all our social medias to stay up to date on the latest happenings inside the lounge. Keep up the great work. We're cheering you on.